Hi everyone, it's here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got a smiley Amazon package today, and I might just have been using some Vipon coupons again. Okay, Vipon is an app, and I'll put a little picture. It's basically, it shows up coupons and discount codes and things for products that are on Amazon and some other companies as well, but mainly Amazon. And yeah, I tend to every day. I tend to every day just check, put diamond painting in the search and see what there is. And it comes up with quite a few different ones. So these haven't all arrived today. These are ones that I've been getting over the last couple of weeks. And yeah, I may just have bought a few more. Okay, so these are all more little keyring sets. Look, as if I haven't got enough keyring sets, I hear you cry. But yeah, I'm probably going to do some fundraising with these, I think, because I've got so many. But yeah, they're just such good value, and what can I say when it's a bargain? You've just got to get it. Be rude not to, yeah? Okay, so we have a little like seaside kit, we have a little space kit, and we have a little car kit. So something a little bit more for the boys. Okay, I've just been joined by the lovely Millie Moo that's just wanted to come and have a quick look around and see what's happening. And are you looking at these? Hey, you looking at all the keyrings? Yeah? Seeing what's going on? You're going to let me unbox them then? Okay, say hello to the people. Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Is it you? Say hello, Millie Moo. She's come up here because I have a window up to my right here. And yeah, she likes to have a look out the window. So I think she thinks if she gets on my knee, then she can come and have a look out the window. She's been nattering to get up here all there for ages. So can I have a look at these keyrings now? Do we think, I mean, you can sit on my desk if you want, but I think you might fall off. Going back down? Okay. Oops. There you are. She's going back into a basket now. It's a lot comfier down there than it is on my knee looking at my desk. It is. It's comfier in your bed. Yes. Ah, dear. Right, she's saying, why aren't these for me? It's a crinkly packet. It might be treats. Okay, so the seahorsey ones, the sea themed ones, should have been £8.99 and I got them for £4.49. The space ones should have been £8.99 and the cars should have been £8.99 and I got both of those for £4.49 as well, so they were half price. Yay! We like half price. What I actually do, I did have somebody ask me, how do I order more than one set at once? I don't. I am Amazon Prime, so I get free postage. So when the offers come up, I just literally try the code, and if it works, I buy it. If the code doesn't work, then I don't buy it. Sometimes they come all together, and sometimes they'll come in one separate packet. I think 2 of these came together and 1 came on its own. It depends on sort of delivery times. They're not all sort of like next day delivery, or I've not had them all as next day delivery. So let's start with the cars anyway and see. I won't go through them too thoroughly because you've seen so many keyrings recently. I don't have anybody that I see regularly that likes diamond painting, so I like to come on here and say, look what I've got, and hopefully you're as excited about them as I am. So, pen, boat and wax. I've got our lovely little lobster claw keychains there. Oh, it looks like there's only 4 keyrings in this one. And we've got 4 little of the little ball and fastening chains there as well to go on them. So, lovely quality, all in gold. So, yeah, so these weren't quite such a bargain because there is only 4 of these keyrings. Okay, they're a little bit sticky because, say, we've had it in the past where I think when they put the glue on and then they put the cover sheet on, sometimes it squidges out the edges. So we've got like, is this sort of a Beetle shape car, a little bit of a Volkswagen type Beetle car there. Okay, they are double-sided as well, which again, for double-sided, they are very good value. But as I say, some of the sets we've had like 6 in, or 5, and they work out at less than £1 each. Well, these are, what, about £1.12, £1.13 each. So but still good if you're wanting to fundraise. That one's sort of, is that like, oh gosh, what are they called? Are they like a Chevrolet? Similar to like a Chevrolet car. This one, I don't know, that's just like a generic car. A little bit smaller, that one actually, isn't it? And then this one, oh, that one looks a little bit like a Beetle as well, so maybe that one's not. But yeah, they're just sort of standard cars, aren't they? Just very nice, and looks like they're going to be all red, so we'll give them a quick measure. So we have 7 centimetres, which is about 2 3/4 inches by, let me have a look, 6 centimetres, which is going to be just slightly about 2 1/4 inches. Is this one smaller then, or is it just an optical illusion? No, it's still about 2 1/2 inches. 7 centimetres, it's just not quite as high, is it? Yeah, it's about 1 1/2 inches. So yeah, they're all roughly to size. Nice clear drill fields. They have got little guide circles round. Not too many colours, but yeah, so I think I'm going to have to do a bit of fundraising with these rather than trying to just give them all away to family. Oh, just look how Millie's laid now. We've got tail at this end up here, look. Tail here and nose here. She's just literally splatting out. We've got the heating on because it's quite cold today, so I think she's feeling the heat. She does have a fair coat on, bless her. Okay, so we have 11, 12 different, 15. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of different colours in this. Didn't think there'd be quite so many gems. So we've got a nice silver, that's a black with a silver backing. The lovely red colour, that's a gorgeous red for the cars. A little bit of a gold, and then one of the specials is like the gold with the silver backing. That's like a marquee, a faceted marquee there. And then the specials, wow, there is a lot of specials in this. This is quite possibly why there's only 4 keyrings rather than 5. So we've got marquees in silver with an iridescent coating on. We've got, oh, hot pink teardrops with an iridescent coating on. We've got like a fire red marquee there with an iridescent coating. Some large faceted rounds there. They must be the, oh, they're going to be the wheels on that one. And then some large round sort of half sphere golds. Some oval blues. Some of the little iridescent coated rounds with a star stamped into the top. Some teeny tiny silver teardrops. Goodness me, they're little. Oh, look at those. I like those. They're a blue iridescent coated. They really do look like oil on water in a teardrop shape. And your little rounds with an iridescent coating on. So yeah, I think, I suppose it depends what they're doing for the price, but there's a lot of specials in this one, so that could be why, though you've only got 4 rather than the 5, but still very good value. Okay, so that's set number 1. Set number 2 is space. So I thought these were a little bit different. Oops, how many of these have we got then? So we've got, 2 spacemen. Oh, they're good. I like the spacemen. And 3 rockets. Oh, so they've got a choice of rockets. Okay, so we've got 5 in this one. You've got your 5 little lobster claw clasps and chains there. Got your pen, your boat, and your wax as normal. And might be a special in here, but I think they're all going to be mainly just standard gems, but we'll have a look. Oh, I've ripped the bag. Never mind. Okay. Alright, there's a couple of specials. So, these are bright and shiny. So we have a lovely silver and a cherry red, all in your crystals, and a yellowy gold, and that's like an orangey gold, and a very bright orange, and a deeper red colour, and a couple of blues, and a green, and then that one is like a bluey grey colour, very pale, with a silver backing, and that one's that gorgeous, like purpley blue colour. And then like a midnight blue colour. Sorry, there's a bit of glare today. It's because I've had to put the lights on. Never mind. And then the two specials. There's two. There's some half sphere pearls with an iridescent coating. And then some smaller half sphere golds. So yeah, they'll just be sort of on the rockets, I think. And on this little, that's more of a spaceship, isn't it, than a rocket? Wow. Okay, so again, double-sided, but I do like the little spaceman. I do think, oh, he's puffed up. He must have got some hot air in his, and he's quite a skinny spaceman, isn't he? So, but yeah, just a lot of fun. And yeah, great for keyrings, bag charms, or just as little ornaments, really. To be honest, when I was younger, when I was little, I would have probably played with these and have my spaceman going into my rockets and made up little stories and things. So yeah, I would suggest sealing them as well, with them being keyrings. But yeah, they're really good. And then we've got our two rockets. So the spaceman actually have a rocket each, so they can fight over which one they want. This one's got three like blasters on the bottom, look, and this one's just got the one. But that one's maybe a little bit bigger because it's got a bigger flame at the bottom there. And then we've got, this is like a little spaceship, isn't it? With the fire coming out the back. So yeah. I wonder who's inside that little dome. We may never know. So that's your base, men. Okay. I'll pop those in there as well. And then the last sets, I wonder how many of these have we got. Okay, basic toolkit, pen, boat and wax as usual. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little keychains in this one. So this is a 5 set as well. Oh, quite a few specials. So getting a bit stuck together. So we've got a gorgeous little seahorse, look, with a hat on. Oh, I've never seen one with a hat on before. He looks very serious. He's obviously going about some serious business there, isn't he? Just floating along there with his little hat on. Yeah, it's got a very serious expression. Oh, look, we've got a little sea turtle with a little flower or daisy garland on and a very smiley face. Oh, that one's lovely. That is so sweet. Again, they're double-sided. We've got, oh, okay. A very shocked looking pineapple. I think we may, I've got a little song coming into my head about a pineapple under the sea that somebody may live in, which is the only reason I can think that there's actually a pineapple under the sea. But yeah, it does look very dazed and very shocked, that one, probably because it's under the sea. Oh, we've got a cool dude starfish. Look at that one with its very posh sunglasses on. It's like a hey, cool dude one, isn't it? And very smiley. So yeah, I like that one. And then, oh my goodness. So the starfish has got sunglasses rather than a hat. And the others have all got like headgear. But look at that. We've got an octopus with a hat on. It's like a bowler hat. We've only got 5 tentacles. So the others must be around the back. The other 3 must be around the back. But yeah, very cute little thing. Aren't they? Just a little bit quirky and a little bit fun. I like those. They're all about the same size, be sort of like 2-3 inches-ish. And yeah, I just love those. Oh, I think I like the sea turtle best out of those, but that one does make me laugh. The expression on that one's face is like, oh, what's going on? You've got a very posh headdress though, pineapple, haven't you? Maybe it's not a pineapple. It does look like a pineapple though, I have to say. Okay, let's get into these gems. So we've got teeny tiny teardrops in silver and green. Wow, they're good fun to use and put down. And then, oh, different packaging for the drills. Okay, so, oh, look at that. Very pale green. and a lovely bright orange, and a lovely bright gold, and a sea blue, and not quite a hot pink, but I think we're going to have to call a hot pink. We can't have an unboxing without a hot pink in it. So an honorary hot pink. A little bit of grass green, a little bit of red, a very, very pale shrimpy coloured pink, aqua blue, and a little bit of your standard black. So, oh, these are great fun. I do like these. As you can probably tell, because I have ordered an awful lot of them. I don't count how many packets of Keyrings I've had. But yeah, I will probably be donating some and using them for fundraising. Okay, so 3 sets of gorgeous little Keyrings, all double-sided, all with the nice quality clasps. I'm not quite sure which set I like best, really. I love my spacemen, and the cars are quite fun, aren't they? But I think it's going to have to be the little sea turtle and, yeah, the little Sealife one, because that pineapple just makes me laugh so much. Let me know what you think it is. Do you think that's a pineapple, or is that just my imagination going wild as usual? Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. I'll put all the links down below in my description. If you have enjoyed looking at them, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below. And if you would like to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.